In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to set up a docking experiment in AstraBioSuite when a reference ligand is not available. In many cases, a bound ligand is used to define the docking region. However, when no reference ligand is present, AstraBioSuite provides an alternative approach to define the binding pocket based on selected residues. To begin, open your protein structure in the AstraBioSuite viewer. If a ligand is present in the structure, remove the bound ligand and save it as a separate file if needed for future reference. The protein structure should now contain only the receptor. Next, open the docking module from the Tools menu. Within the docking setup options, instead of selecting Use Reference Ligand, choose the option Select Residues Near Pocket. This will activate the residue selection panel within the module. To make residue selection easier, AstraBioSuite integrates interactive picking through the viewer. You can click on the chain or residue input fields in the docking module, and then directly select the desired amino acid residues from the viewer. The corresponding chain ID and residue number will be automatically populated in the selection panel. Continue selecting residues that define the binding pocket of interest. These typically include residues forming the active site or key interaction regions. Once the target residues are selected, click Show Grid Box. This will generate a visual grid box around the selected region, representing the docking search space. Carefully inspect the grid box in the viewer. Adjust the selection if necessary to ensure that the box fully encompasses the binding pocket and allows sufficient space for ligand flexibility. Once you are satisfied with the grid box position and size, proceed to submit the docking job. The docking calculations will then run based on the defined search space. The total computation time will depend on factors such as the number of ligands and the size of the grid box.